Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Ganraj. I am Tisha. Today we discuss about James, a famous singer. So stay with me. Farooq Mahfuz Anam, born to October 1964, known mononymously as James, is a Bangladeshi singer, songwriter, guitarist, and composer, and a playback singer. He is the lead singer, songwriter, and guitarist of the rock band Nagar Baul, which he founded in 1977. James was born and raised in Nauga, but he grew up in Chittagong city. He has also led a successful solo career with hit albums like Ononna 1989, পালাবি কোথায় 1995, দুঃখিনী দুঃখ করো না 1997, ঠিক আছে বন্ধু 1999. He sang in 4 Bollywood films including Gangster 2006, Bolam Hai 2006, Life in a Metro 2007, Warming 2013. James rose to mainstream fame in the 1990s as the frontman of Feelings, which is one of the big three of rock, who were responsible for developing and popularizing hard rock music in Bangladesh. Along with LRV and R, Feelings is considered to be the pioneer of psychedelic rock in Bangladesh. He is often referred by the name Guru. James won Bangladesh National Film Award for Best Male Playback Singer twice for his performance in the films of Disha, The Leader, and Shotto. James was born in Noga, Rajshahi on 2 October 1964 to father Mojammel Haq and mother Jahanara Khatun. His father was a government employee and worked as chairman of the Dhaka Education Board. The family originally lived in Nauga but moved to Chittagong in around when Mojammel Haq was transferred from his teens. James developed an avid interest in music, an interest which his family did not accept or support. He first played guitar with his friends when he was in class 7 in 1975. In the early to mid 1970, when learning guitar, James became interested in bands like The Doors, Dire Straits, Led Zeppelin, and guitarists like Eric Clapton, Mark Knopfler, and Jimi Hendrix. Following a dispute with his family, James left his house when he was in class 8 in 1976. He started living in a dormitory called Aegis Boarding in Pahartoli. He formed Feelings in 1977 as the vocal and lead guitarist. After some members left Feelings in 1981, James, Fanti, Pablo, and Chopin reformed the band and started to perform in local gigs. This was the line-up at that time. He became popular among musicians at The One Who Can Play Mark Knopfler with the Right Feels. After several years of stage show, they came to Dhaka to record their first album, Station Road. James composed all the tracks and wrote the lyrics for 5 of them. Though his album was not a hit, his tracks Ager Jonome, Amai Jete Dao and Rupsagar enjoyed moderate success. In 1993, they released their second album, Jail Theke Bolchi. This album was a major hit and Feelings became a mainstream band. James sings psychedelic rock and blues music. He has cited Jim Morrison, Mark Knopfler, and Eric Clapton as his influence. Many lyrics have written songs for James, including poet Shamsur Rahman, Prince Mahamood, Marjuk Russell, Shibli and Dehlavi, musicians and music composer like Lucky Akundo. Monam Ahmed, Prince Mahamood and Shakwat have also composed songs for him. The albums he released with Feelings after Station Road and Jail Theke Bolchi and Nagar Baul in 1996. Les Pita Lazy in 1998. Collection of Feelings in 1999. His first solo album was Ononna, released in 1989, followed by Palabi Kutha in 1995. দুঃখিনী দুঃখ করোনা in 1997, ঠিক আছে বন্ধু in 1999, আমি তোমাদেরই লোক in 2003, জনতা এক্সপ্রেস in 2005, তুফান in 2006 and কাল যমুনা in 2009. James later renamed Feelings as Nagar Baul. The first and only album under the new name was Dusto Cheler Dol, released in 2001. He has been one of the most popular artists, both as a solo musician and with his band in Bangladesh and in West Bengal since the 1990s. He met Pritam Chakraborty, an Indian Bengali music director and composer working in Bollywood. In 2004 and 2005, James did the playback for the film Gangster. The song was Biggie Biggie and it was a blockbuster hit, remaining at the top of the Bollywood hit list for more than a month. He teamed up with Pritam again for the film O Lamhe in 2006 for the song Chal Chale and again for Rishte and Alvida in the film Life in a Metro. James' last song in Bollywood, titled Bibasi, was released in 2013 for the film Warning. James first appeared in a television commercial for Pepsi in the early 2000s. This commercial was broadcast both in West Bengal and Bangladesh. In 2011, he starred in a Bangladeshi TVC for Plague Horse, a brand of energy drinks. James appeared in the Bollywood movie Metro, in which he played the role of a member of a street band along with Pritam and Shuhali Cole. James was first married to Rothi in 2002. He ended his first marriage and married Banazir Sajjad, whom he reportedly met during a concert in Newark around 1999. James has 3 children, daughters Jannat and Jahan and son Danish. James, along with Gaji Shubro and Joel Paikar, co-owns the production house Red Dot Multimedia Limited. The company was established in December 2005. James is the chairman of its board of directors. The production house was behind the video commercial titled Beautiful Bangladesh for the ICC World Cup Cricket 2011. Red Dot Entertainment produced numerous reality TV shows, including The Rockstar 2007, Lux Channel I Superstar 2010 and 2014, and Ke Hote Chai Kotipoti 2011. Red Dot produced TVC music videos, TV reality shows, and corporate audio visuals. They are planning to produce a full-length film. So thanks for being with me. Do you like the videos? If you like, please press the like and don't forget to subscribe. Press notification button to get notification of all the upcoming videos. Have a nice day.